She is 211 days old. Mom have two group kitten. First, these four, and also the other one, they are three. One girl and two boys. Yes, this one is the boy one. So he go down again. He playing with the older brother. The first group, color was white and brown. There is two boys. The other one is the same color, and this girl is three color: black, white, and brown. But the boy are only white and brown. But the kitten, the new kitten, are dark color. Oh, what are you doing? The stepmom, don't let me go close to kitten, fighting with me. Hello, Jay. Yes, Pecie and Mecie. Look at this one. What are you doing? What are you doing? A stepmom, mom is okay. No, don't have any problem. But a stepmom, no. A stepmom, anytime I go to touch them, he try to fighting with me. A stepmom is more serious than the mom of four kitten. Yes. Oh, good. Not angry now.